Is FunFlick a scam in 2026? Let's set the record straight. First off, there's a lot of confusion out there. When people say FunFlick, they might mean totally different things. So here's the breakdown. Fast and simple. If you're talking about the FunFlick short drama app, yes, the one on Google Play, it's legit. You get free access to bite-sized drama episodes. Totally free, no subscription, and no sneaky charges. The worst it does? Like most free apps, it collects some device and activity info. Annoying but not criminal. But here's where it gets messy. There are knockoff Flick offers floating around, promising you'll earn $36 an hour just for watching movies. Sounds awesome, right? But yeah, those are scams. They're basically fishing for your info or leading you through a minefield of endless surveys with no real payout. And just to complicate things, there's also FunFlick's Outdoor Movies. This is a real company that rents out inflatable screens for backyard movie nights. They've been around for years. Are they perfect? Nah, some Yelp reviews call out iffy billing or technician mix-ups, but overall, they're a legit business, not a scam. So, how can you spot the real thing? Number 1. If you're downloading the app, make sure it's the official one from Google Play. Number 2. Never pay upfront or hand over super personal info just to start earning. That's a huge red flag. And number 3. Check the reviews. Real customers mention specific details, like an actual technician's name. Fake reviews? They're usually just vague and repetitive. Bottom line, the FunFlick short drama app is safe to use, but don't get tricked by copycats or sketchy offers. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.